Oh, hello. I wanted to give you some updates about the blog and some new material that you'll be seeing in the next few months. Now, lately I've been working with supercomputing clusters and also a web-based container called neurodesk.org. In both cases, it'll be easier for you to follow along with the examples without running into problems with paths or dependencies. And so you'll be seeing more and more tutorials in those environments. The field is evolving at a rapid pace, and today's researcher needs to stay current with some of the latest trends. The so-called Big Three fMRI analysis packages, AFNI, SPM, and FSL, have dominated the field for the past few decades, but it's no longer sufficient to know just one of them. You will also need to be familiar with Python programs such as NiLearn and NiBabble, and how these work with standardized data organization schemes like BIDS. There are new norms being created around sharing data and code, which are necessary for researchers to more efficiently communicate with each other. Along the way, we'll learn how to download and analyze data from large neuroimaging consortia, such as the Human Connectome Project, and take a look at how it's usually analyzed. Richard Nixon once said, "This is the time to be alive." No doubt, it can be overwhelming to have so many options, but it can also be exciting to have so many possibilities. And over the next few months, we'll discuss a few of them. At that point, you can make an educated decision about which ones are most suitable for your analysis. Until then, take care of yourself, and I'll see you soon.